everyone, this is Ms. Sus from Genius Private School. Today we are studying English, Sunrise 2. We have Unit 4, page 14 to 16. First of all, I want to make a revision for the previous lessons. Now, open your books for me. كتابك تام كنوع. I want you to put it on page 13. Page 13. Now, let's start our revision. We studied the alphabetic before. Now, I want you to look at the alphabetic letters here. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, I want you to look at your book once again. And I want you to look at the letters again and say the letters to yourself. So, letterakan bo khoti bilero. We have studied the alphabetics. We started with the lowercase here. These are the lowercase letters, the small ones. We have capital, we have lowercase. These are the lowercase, the small letters. But we have studied the two first letters, A, B. We have capital A, lowercase a. Then we have capital B, lowercase b. What is the sound of A? Ah. Ah. Both have the same sound. Capital, lowercase, هر دو کن یک دانگیان ہے. Ah. 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 Then we have capital B, lowercase b. Capital B, lowercase b. They both have the same sound. هر دو کن یک دانگیان ہے. هر دو کن یک بیتن. B. B. Now repeat after me. A. A. B. B. A. A. Apple. A. A. Apple. B. B. Bag. B. B. Bag. Again. A. A. B. B. So, can you tell me what is this? What is this picture? What is this? This is an apple. This is an apple. What is this? What is this picture? This is a bag. This is a bag. Or you can say, it is an apple. It is a bag. An apple, a bag. Now, let's write it again in the air together. Now, point like this with this finger, Bampanjeo. A, capital. A, lowercase. Again. A, capital. A, lowercase. Now, let's write B capital. B capital. B capital. B lowercase. Make one line like this, B, lowercase. Thank you. And also we studied the numbers. So we will count till number 10. We will count the numbers till number 10. Let's say the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you. Now, I want you to move on to page 14. Page 14. Look at these pictures. We have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. What can you see in number 1? Tell me, what is this? What can you see? تو چی أبینی? For example, I see a girl. What can you see? What can you see in number 2? Look at the picture and tell me, what can you see? Look at number 3. And look at number 4. We will listen to the sound and then you look at the pictures.
Students' Book, Unit 4, Lesson 1. Look and listen.
Number 1.
Hello, Caroline. Hello, Sam. Hello, girls. Look, I have a doll. Oh, yes. And I have a car. Hello, Kitty. Hello, Sam. I have a cat. Meow. Oh no, a dog! Come here, Kitty!
Now, tell me, what did they say? Repeat after me. I have a doll. I have a doll. من چیم هيا؟ A doll. I have a doll. I have a car. I have a car. I have a cat. I have a cat. Now tell me, what do you have? For example, I have a pencil. I have a pencil. What do you have? I have a marker. I have a marker. Tell me, what do you have? Again, I have a doll, I have a car, and I have a cat. Now, look at these pictures. Tell me, what is this? What can you see? I want you to look at the pictures here. What can you see? What is this? What is this? And what is this? It is a car. It is a car. It is a cap. It is a cap. It is a cat. It is a cat. It is a doll. It is a doll. It is a dog. It is a dog. It is a duck. It is a duck. Now, I want you to listen to the sound, and I want you to point with your hand. Listen and point.
Students' Book, Unit 4, Lesson 1. Listen, point, and say. I have a duck. I have a car. I have a dog. I have a cat. I have a doll. I have a cat.
Again, we will listen to the sound. This time, when you hear the word, you point to the picture. When you hear the word, you point to the picture. Again.
Students' Book, Unit 4, Lesson 1. Listen, point, and say. I have a duck. I have a car. I have a dog. I have a cat. I have a doll. I have a cat.
Well done. Now I want you to repeat after me. I have a car. I have a car. I have a cap. I have a cap. I have a cat. I have a cat. I have a doll. I have a doll. I have a dog. I have a dog. I have a duck. I have a duck. Now tell me, what do you have? For example, what do you have on your table? What do you have in your kitchen? For example, like I said, I have a pencil. I have a book. Now tell me, what do you have? Okay, let's move on to next page. So today we are studying 2 new letters. 2 new letters. First, we will learn how to write them. I want you to look at my hand carefully and see how I write these 2 new letters. First one is letter C. Letter C. Capital C, lowercase c. And then we have capital D, lowercase d. So we have 2 letters here. Capital C, lowercase c. Capital D, lowercase d. Look at my hand and see how I write them. Capital C, we write it like this. Capital C. Then we have lowercase c. Lowercase c is smaller. Capital C is bigger. Then we have capital D and lowercase d. are the sounds of these letters? First one, K. K. Repeat after me. K. 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 Car. K. K. Car. K. K. Cap. K. K. Cap. Look at the first letter. Cap. Then we have K. K. Cat. K. K. Cat. So what is the sound of this letter? The sound of this letter is K. K. Capital C, lowercase c, both of them have the same sound. هر دو کان یک دنگیان ہے. K. 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 Car. K. K. Cab. K. K. Cat. Then we have this letter. Capital D, lowercase d. Both of them have the same sound. D. Say it. D. 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 Doll. D. D. Doll. D. D. Doll. Then we have D. D. Dog. D. D. Dog. Then we have D. D. Duck. D. D. Duck. So what is the sound of this letter? D. D. K. D. 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 Doll. Repeat after me. Le doamo dubari karo. D. D. Doll. D. D. Dog. D. D. Duck. Doll, dog, and duck. Now, look at this picture in the bottom here. So, we will play a game. You will look at the pictures and you will answer my question. Walami, prsarki maneto. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? And then, what is this? What is this? Now tell me, what is this? And what is this? I want you to look at this table and say, I have. What do you have? For example, I have a cat. Now tell me, what do you have? I have a bag. I have, yes, I have car. I have, yes, I have doll. I have, yes, cat. Now I want you to repeat for yourself. I want you to look at the picture again and say, I have a bag, I have a cat, I have a car, I have an apple, I have a duck, I have a doll, I have a banana, I have a cap, and I have a book. Okay, my dear students, thank you for listening, and I want you to revise for these new letters, K and D. Thank you for listening.